once you take the cover off, there are 4 screws to remove, and one is probably buried underneath of these circuits, so there's a couple different variations of how this looks inside, but there should be something like this one additional screw. So take this off first, and then you can get to this screw down here. I've already taken these off, so you can just lift this off, and I've already done this, but the sensor in this batch was placed inside the cooling element, which was incorrect for how it was supposed to be built. So you need to get in here and don't pull too hard. It should just easily pull out. So if you need to push some of these little metal sheets to the side to get this to come out easily, do that. Pull it out, and then place it down in the air intake vents, which would be right here, so that it's reading the temperature of the incoming air, and that way the thermostat stays correct and doesn't keep turning on and turning off. And that's it. If that was how your unit was put together, that is most likely the issue. So let me know. Put everything back together, and everything should work correctly. Thank you.